Uh, this is one that I seen on the Nexus a while ago, and I actually forgot to cover it. I wanted to add this to my build permanently, but I definitely wanted to test it out first before using it, and so I'm gonna do it while I'm recording this. So this is a mod called Usable Vending Machines, and it allows you to use the milk machine, the Nuka Cola machine, um, the Porta Diner, and I believe a couple others. And there's two versions of it. One, you could use it so that you have to spend pre-war money in order to purchase items from it, and another version is where you can use caps to purchase items from it. So I chose the cap version because I felt like it's easier to get caps than it is to get pre-war money. So I'm gonna try it. So they said that you have to go into your building menu. It should be under crafting. We're gonna come over here. Alright, I got a lot of stuff because I got that armor weapons keyword thing. So yeah, we have a usable eat-o-tronic. We have usable milk machine. Usable Nuka-Cola. They let me place it down. Alright, and we have the usable Porta Diner. Okay, yeah, so it's just these three four. So let's see something. Maybe I have to get out the power armor.
Walking around in Diamond City. Shit only a matter of time before they come back here and finish the job.
Okay, so craft, foods. Oh, so okay, I thought it was gonna work like you drop in some caps and then something's gonna pop out, but it kind of works like a crafting machine. But this is really freaking cool. You got your squirrel stew, strange meat, synthetic gorilla meat. I think that's from the DLC of Nuka World, and you have your vegetable soup. So this is really cool. Uh, Tasty Squirrel stew is really good. This is really great for if you're starting a new game because you get a +2 experience points from eating that. So that's really nice. And we have the usable Nuka Cola machine. Nuka Cola Cherry, Ice Cold Nuka Cola, which is really cool because the only way to get this to my knowledge is to be able to put Nuka Cola inside of the drinking buddy, and you have to wait for a few hours and then it would turn ice cold. So that's really cool. You could just get them without having to wait. Here you go with all this other stuff. Nuka Cola Quantum, Nuka Cola Normal, Nuka Cherry, alright. Getting this weird camera view. I think it's because it's placed up against the wall. But here we go. Usable milk vending machine.
You guys pay for things with bottle caps?
Okay.
What happened to
It's
dollars
not
and
letting me,
cents?
I think I placed it too close to the wall. Give me a second here. Okay. So, alright, so one thing you can see already that's kind of a little weird with this is that she the character's using the power armor station animations when interacting with this milk machine, and also it places them on the left side of the milk machine as opposed to the front. So you have to be really careful about how you place this. So the milk machine produces more than just milk, giving us rum, vodka, whiskey, as well as wine. And here we have milk, pre-war milk. Warning, it's rotten, so you probably get like a lot of rads or something. And there's toilet water. What? Why is there toilet water in the milking machine? I don't know, but it's Fallout. And on to the last one, which is the usable eatertronic. Okay, so it's also locking me up again. So give me a second here. We'll put it over here. This way, when we use it, oh, it didn't stick to the wall. But yeah, we just want to make sure that we have some space on the left side of this eatertronic so that when we use it, hopefully it doesn't lock us up. And it's still locking us up for some reason. Okay, so let's let's scrap it. Okay, the thing is floating in the air, and we have to go behind it to use it. So it's really weird. Okay, so in the Eatrotronic we got Lamco mac and cheese, bubblegum, cram, Danny Boy apples, Fancy Lad snack cakes, gumdrops, potato crisp, preserved instant mash, Salisbury steak, sugar bombs, yum yum deviled eggs. This is really good because in Fallout I love the pre-war food. I really like it. It's really good. You don't have to always go out and eat mutated creatures and stuff. But yeah, it's like floating in the air and you have to go behind it. And this guy made this mod, I believe, in 2016, and it hasn't been updated since. So it's a little disappointing. It's pretty good, but it's a little disappointing. The problem is that you have to go behind the machine in order to make use of it. So here, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna move the Nuka-Cola machine over here. So I'll place it down right here, and then it's gonna place me behind it. Oh, now I'm standing in front of it, but the camera goes. It's a little weird. This is something that I think I'm going to keep, but I'm going to use it on future playthroughs, not this current playthrough, just because of how buggy it appears to be. But overall, I'm gonna give it, I'd say, a 6.5 out of 10. I'd say there should have been more options. Like there should have been pre-war version of the machines, and I'm gonna take some points off because it's like floating, and I'm gonna have to take a big chunk of points off because of the position of the character when using the machine. But other than that, I would say it's pretty good. But yeah, use it at your own risk. Link for it is gonna be down in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Take care.